Hello guys, sa video nito ipapakita ko kung paano mag-export ng DWG file to STL file. Okay. So, punta tayo sa application menu. Then, export, other format. Okay. Then, it's up to you kung ano yung i-name nyo sa file name. Okay. So, for me, this is project. Then, para madali natin makita, so, save natin sa desktop. Then, file type is STL. Then, save. Then, sabi rito is export, select solid or water type meshes. Then, select natin yung object natin. Then, hit enter. Then, para makita natin kung ito ay na-convert into STL file, so check natin ito sa ating desktop. Okay? So, ito na yung ating object. Okay? So, that's all. Thank you.